Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 powerful platforms where you can market and sell your product for free as a fashion designer. So if you have been struggling to make sales as a fashion designer, this video is for you. Grab your pen and your notepad and let's dive into the business of the day. First on my list is Pinterest. Pinterest is not just for inspiration, it is also a powerful sales tool. When you post your designs with the right keywords, people searching for inspiration or outfit can get to see your designs and also buy from you. So if you want to start selling on Pinterest, all you need to do is to create a Pinterest business account. Then you start posting your work. And also when posting your work, use trending words like trendy Ankara styles, trendy wedding style, trendy Asoebi styles, trendy handbag and all that. This words is going to make people to easily find your product whenever they are searching for inspiration on Pinterest. And also if you have an online store, you can connect your online store to Pinterest. So whenever you post a picture of your work, once people click on that picture, they go straight to your online store and they get to buy whatever you are selling on Pinterest. So next on my list is Amazon. Amazon is the biggest online marketplace in the world. If you want to start selling your product on Amazon, all you need to do is to create a seller account, list your product and start selling to a global audience. Listing your product on Amazon is free, but you pay a token after making any sales. So if you want to start selling on Amazon, all you need to do is to use high quality pictures, because how you package your product also matters. Make sure you use high quality images and also optimize your product titles and description with keywords. Use words that people are familiar with so that when they search on Amazon, they can easily have access to your products. Next on my list is Jumia and Konga. If you are in Nigeria or you are in Africa, you should definitely list your product on these platforms. This platform will help you to reach out to local customers. So if you want to deal with customers within the country, if you're in Nigeria, the best platform to list your product and start making sales is on Jumia or on Konga. So why should you list or market your product on Jumia or Konga? The number one reason is that they handle payment processing and delivery. Number two reason is that it is a great platform to sell ready-made or custom-made outfits. And lastly, it is trusted by thousands of buyers. So you can list your product on Konga or on Jumia if you want to reach out to local customers as a fashion designer. So next on my list is eBay. eBay is also an online marketplace, but this platform is also great for selling new and second-hand fashion products. So whether you have new products to sell or you sell fairly used products, you can market and sell your product on eBay. On eBay, listing is absolutely free. You get to list over 250 items for free, but you get to pay a percentage after every sale you make on eBay. It is also very important to use high quality images and use good description when listing your product on eBay if you want to get clients and sell your product in no time. The number 5 platform on my list is Facebook. Facebook is also a great platform to market and sell your product. And there are 3 ways you can market and sell your product on Facebook. The first way is to use the Facebook Marketplace, where you get to post picture of your work for free and put your location and price, and people are going to patronize you. So if you sell handmade products or you want to sell design or you are into ready to wear, it is very important that you make use of Facebook Marketplace to advertise your work and also to get sales. The number 2 way to sell your product on Facebook is by posting Facebook Reels. That is creating short videos of your product. If you are into ready to wear dresses, you can make short video of the dresses and post as a Facebook Reel. People are going to see it. People are going to patronize you when you do that. And the number 3 way to market your product on Facebook is by posting consistently on your wall. If you want to sell your product on Facebook, you need to be consistent, and also you need to post high quality images and high quality videos if you really want to sell on Facebook. So next on my list is Instagram. Instagram is also another wonderful platform to market and sell your product as a fashion designer. So all you need to do is to create an Instagram page and customers will buy directly from you. So there is no middleman using Facebook or Instagram. Your customers get to buy your product directly from you. To sell on Instagram, you need to use high quality pictures and engaging videos. You need to post consistently and also offer limited time discounts to attract buyers. So the number 7 on my list is WhatsApp business. As a fashion designer or as a business owner, you have no business using the normal WhatsApp. You need to have a WhatsApp business where you get to create a catalog for your work, where people get to see your work and also see your prices attached to it. So if you want to start selling on WhatsApp, you need to create a catalog where you post what you sell and also attach your price to it. You need to post consistently on your WhatsApp status. Don't just post pictures. Attach the price to it. You need to post in group, can create groups and post whatever you sell on WhatsApp, and you can also share what you sell to individuals that you know might be interested in your product on WhatsApp. So you can also sell and market your product on WhatsApp. And last but not the least, we have TikTok. Fashion businesses are blowing up here by posting short, engaging videos showcasing their designs. They are doing an amazing job on TikTok, and people are getting clients back to back on TikTok. So to sell on TikTok, post styling videos, post behind the scene videos, post the final look of whatever designs or products you are selling on your TikTok, and also post consistently. When posting, use trendy keywords, use hashtags, use trendy sounds to reach out to a wider audience. And if you can, collaborate with other influencers to reach out to more people on TikTok. So if you want to start marketing and selling your product on the social media platform, one important thing you need to know is that consistency is a must. If you want Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to start pushing your content, you need to be consistent. You can't post today and the next time you post will be in the next 3-4 weeks. You need to be consistent and post if you want to really reach out to a wider audience and start selling your product. So guys, here we have it. These are the 8 powerful platforms you can market and sell your product as a fashion designer. If you are tired of struggling to get sales, it's time to sit up, put yourself out there, do the work, and start making sales as a fashion designer. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment. And also let me know the platform you're about to start using to start getting massive sales as a fashion designer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my other tutorials.